Do you know how beer is made? Do you want to make beer at home? If the answer to both the questions is yes, then well friends, you're at the right place. Welcome to Homebrew India, a place where we will learn, we will make and we will enjoy a lot of different types of alcohols. Today we will make ginger beer at home just in 48 hours and with just 3 to 4 ingredients. Don't trust me? Stick to the end to find it out. The way we will be making ginger beer today would be including a ginger bug. If you don't know what a ginger bug is, don't worry, I will be showing you how to make it as well. And just in case if you know what a ginger bug is, well, you're lucky then. So if you like the recipe, give me a like. And if you love the recipe, do subscribe to my channel for more content. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I put a new video up. Just a small disclaimer. If you're making such beverages at home, it's completely legal, but you should be over the legal drinking age limit at your state. And drink responsibly. To make ginger bug, we just need 3 ingredients. First up, we need 50 grams of sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 400 ml of water. And obviously a container to put it all in. Also, don't forget a cheesecloth and a rubber band. Do not peel the ginger skin off. We want all the natural yeast that develops on the ginger. Put them all together and stir them well. I'm using brown sugar as it gives a nice color and viscosity to it. Well, that's it. You just need to add a few pieces of ginger and a tablespoon of sugar every day for about 4 days. Now put it in a cool, dark place. You can leave it on the kitchen counter as there is a lot of natural yeast there. Now comes the toughest part, putting on the cheesecloth. See how I struggle? This bug is enough for about 5 liters of ginger beer. I made a smaller batch 5 days ago and this is how it looks. It gets all bubbly in just a few days. Bubbles show that the natural yeast is getting collected and now we are good to go. There may be a white layer on top of it. There is nothing to worry about. It's called calm yeast. It's natural. It's not mold, so don't be scared unless it looks like this. And now for the ginger beer, we want 200 grams of finely chopped ginger. You can also use food processor for it as we want the maximum juice out of it. 250 grams of sugar, 2 liters of water, and I also need to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I forgot to add it on camera. Put everything in a vessel, stainless steel pot is preferred. After putting everything together, give it a good stir. Now we will boil it for about 10 minutes, which will extract the best flavors from the ginger. After boiling it, we have to wait until the beer reaches the room temperature. Pitching yeast in hot liquid will kill it off and won't ferment. Just give it a stir again. You can use a fine sieve and filter the beer. I am filtering the beer twice, once for large pieces and once with a multi-layered cheesecloth for the finer particles. we can either use a glass flip top bottle or a plastic bottle. But today I'm using a plastic bottle. This is a fresh plastic bottle, so it can be used. Please do not use any old plastic bottles as it may have chances to contaminate the beer. After the boil, everything the beer touches should be sanitized with a food grade sanitizer. You can use star san or sodium metabisulfite. I have sanitized everything in a solution of sodium metabisulfite mixed up with water. We will strain the ginger bug in a container and pour it in the bottle. Then pour the beer in bottle. You don't necessarily need to release the pressure from the plastic bottle, but if you're using a glass flip top bottle, firstly make sure that they can tolerate pressure. A lot of restaurants have bottles which are only for decorative purposes and not for holding carbonation. And secondly, after 24 hours, just pop open the bottle and seal it back again. This will release any excess pressure if there. If you forget to release the pressure, you may end up creating a bottle worm. And that's not a good situation to be in, right? Seal the cap and voila, your ginger beer will be ready in 48 hours. Keeping the beer for 48 hours results in the best taste, neither too sweet nor too gingery. So it's been 2 days now and we can see a lot of sediment has settled down. This gives us a crisp and clear ginger beer. As it was just left for 2 days, I don't expect it to have a lot of alcohol punch. It's more of a probiotic drink rather than being alcoholic. And just in case, if the sediment pops up when you open the beer, don't worry, it will settle down within seconds. Enjoy your beer chilled or with a lot of ice. And remember, drink responsibly. Cheers.